my name is Brian Thomas. I'm a member of the Ski Patrol here at Revelstoke Mountain Resort. I'm here to talk to you today about the STREP Edge-Pack. We've been product testing this for STREP all winter here at Revelstoke Mountain Resort, and this has been one of the biggest safety upgrades to our rope rescue program on the resort. So here to show you why that is today. So in the past, our difficulties with rope rescue in the winter has been the ropes will dig in through our snowpack and go down into the unknown hazards of the sharp rocks and twigs and sticks that we have underneath the snowpack. And in the past, we were problem solving that with ski poles and packs on ski poles and multiple wraps of canvas. And it kind of worked, it kind of didn't work, and we didn't really have any sort of solution. And this fall, STREP donated us the Edge-Pack, and this has been a huge upgrade to working for us for that type of protection. So right now, the Edge-Pack we use for our fast response kit. So this pack goes out when we need to secure patients in a timely fashion, and the entire pack is Edge Pro. For those of you that don't know what STREP is a company. Their company name means Static Rope Edge Protection. They have many products that are all designed to protect ropes and rope rescue, rope access world from damage against sharp edges. This pack has been an amazing upgrade to our rope rescue program. So the straps, shoulder straps, are actually rope sleeves. They can be removed and they can wrap around rope to protect from any sharp objects you have within your rope rescue. The entire pack opens up. Can hold all of your equipment that you need. They've got pouches to store equipment. So all of these panels are removable via Velcro. All of these products are made of the same material that the Edge Pro is made out of. You can use this to wrap around skis, trees, whatever you need. Lots of carabiner attachments. They've got Edge Pro within the pack as well. Everything's removable with Velcro and is replaceable through their company. So if you actually can pull off wearing out any of these edge protection mats, you can order them up through STREP and replace them pretty efficiently. Also, I think the biggest upgrade for us is that the entire bag in itself is Edge Pro, and we've been using it for our edge transitions to stop our ropes from digging into our 2 to 3 meter deep snowpacks, and it works. It stays on the surface no matter how light the snow is. We'll run our ropes right over top of the pack. We'll lay this right over edges. There's tons of attachment points for slings, webbing, cordage to keep it into its place. And I can't talk highly enough. We'd like to give a massive thanks to STREP and their company for allowing us to product test the Edge-Pack. This has been a huge safety upgrade to our rope rescue program, and I can't thank you enough for allowing us to product test it and add that added margin of safety to our rope rescue program for us and our guests. So thank you very much.